What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the new episode of our video today. And we are heading to Burabai. It's one of the famous city in Kazakhstan.
Морепродуктами питаются, но у них, наверное, мяса нет, как у нас, ребят. А он сам что? Да уже, наверное, лет 5, наверное, как закончил.
Look at that beautiful mountains, guys.
Столько денег надо, куда-то едешь.
That was awesome.
Столько чего-то надо на это. Легковая, ладно, Нива там что-нибудь будет.
I'm just sad, you know.
Sad?
Yes, because I think during winter I must visited this place. Yeah, sadly, yes, I wasn't able to visit this place during winter time.
You need to visit at the
Because
summer.
yeah, because the
At the summer.
no, I mean the environment is different, and I mean it's exciting at the same time. Oh my God, that is river. Oh my God, we're supposed to miss this. Look at this beautiful place. Come on. Oh, look at this.
Animals.
Inside?
They can kill you.
I'm gonna eat them.
They gonna eat you.
Yes, I'm gonna eat those animals inside this forest. Why you didn't tell me? That tracks formation is so good. It's beautiful. Yeah, we can take videos. Oh my God. Look at this forest, guys.
It's Kazakhstan.
This is Kazakhstan, people. This is Kazakhstan. Yeah, alright guys, we are in the middle of the forest and we need to pass this road in 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will be in the main city, which is Burabai, right?
Right.
Wow, so good. Amazing, right? If only I'm gonna Kazakh, then I'm gonna buy a car here, you know. Oh my God, it's bumping, it's bumping. God. Oh my God. Look at this experience. Say hi. Oh. This is crazy. Yeah, but it's wonderful. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Пойдет, я здесь 190 ездил.
Gentlemen, and welcome to Burabai city. This is one of the famous places here in Kazakhstan. Please come and join me with my friends. Yeah, these are my friends Aiden and Bekhan. Okay, and they're gonna show us this beautiful place.
Hello everyone.
Say hi. Alright guys, look at this beautiful place here. They don't like it. I guess they don't like it. This is gonna be your first time? How many times you have visited this place?
Approximately 20.
20 times? What about you, Bekan?
Time.
Second time?
Third.
A third time?
Будешь купаться?
Yes, I hope you're gonna like this beautiful place that we can offer to you. Alright guys, we're trying to climb the mountains now. Oh my God, look how beautiful this place are. Let's climb this rock. Where's the easiest way to...
one, you know.
Which one? Okay, this one is not good. Okay. But I think I have to go this way.
Yes.
What do you think?
На, снимай.
Oh no, no, this way.
I will go in
No, no,
any
oh,
way.
no, no, not this way. But this one is dangerous. Here,
Себе залезай.
yeah, here. No, I can do. I can do it by myself.
It's normal.
It's normal. Yeah. Yes, we made it.
We did it.
We did it. We did it.
Даша.
All right. Why didn't it go? All right. I don't want to, I don't want to say anything. I just want to take video. Alright guys, we are already on the top of this beautiful rocks. Oh my god. Okay, look at this place. It's really hard to, it's really hard to take video. Oh my god, it's so hard. It's so hard to.
By this way.
Okay. Guys, look at this beautiful rock formations. Okay, and look at this beautiful. It's good to bring a drone here, right? Yeah. Aiden. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of our video. I hope you are enjoy watching, and please hit and subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much and have a good day.